A glorious afternoon to each and everyone. My name is Redentor Evangelista Magalion, but this afternoon, please do allow me to stand by the name. A girl who comes to the heart of Mr. Bossing Big Soto, the one and only Miss Pauline Luga, na nag-iwan ng katagang bawal tumawid, nakamamatay. That will be all. Thank you.
Pauline Luna.
Dalaga na si Pauling, taga rito yan.
Oh. And here's Suffer Serena, number 2.
Wow! Wearing
Yes.
a Lola.
A Lola outfit. Oh, with matching ligaw.